Hey guys, so I want to show you what I cooked for Richard. I got this recipe from Negelissima. She's amazing. If you want to watch her, she's on Roku. So I've got crushed tomatoes. I pour it in. What I like to do is kind of create like a little bit of a hole for the egg. This right here. Garlic salt, I guess. A little bit. Then I'm gonna crack an egg. And just leave it there. And I will show you once it bubbles up and the way it looks. So I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so it is boiling right now. Excuse the mess from earlier. And then that is my mess. I have to clean it. That's from last night. Ugh, it irritates me, but yeah, I will clean that today. But that's how it looks. I kind of do that because then it can poach more. Or a lot faster. Alright guys, so this is how it looks now. I'm gonna kind of put it in the plate that I have for it, so give me a second. Alright guys, so I have it in this plate right here. I got this cast iron at TJ Maxx, and I like it because it comes with this wood thing and I can easily just grab it for Richard. So he likes to eat his with crema or cream, heavy whipping cream, and then a loaf of bread. I'll show it to you when he dips it in. Hey guys, so we're gonna go to the swap meet right now. We need to get some deodorant and body wash, soap. So we decided to get out the house. It is currently 96 Fahrenheit, so it's pretty hot. But yeah, we're just gonna go out for those things and then go straight home because it's too hot. It's too hot, but we love it. So.
Here, I've actually wanted to see how much what kind of subi she has. This could be.
You guys, this is our favorite swap meet to go to. It's close to our home, and we pretty much find always like good stuff. So, ooh, that's nice. Ooh, catches you. Alright guys, we are heading home. We bought everything that we needed, and what we spent like 20 bucks. We got
Maybe
less, like $18, but we got everything. We got like the soap for our bodies, deodorant, candy, and that's it. So we're heading home. We're going back ways. Hey guys, so we're actually heading off to Sprouts. We're getting some chicken. I'm sorry, I'm putting my shoes on. We're getting some chicken because we're gonna make some nachos. We made some last night with pico de gallo. Let me tell you, thing was delicioso. But it says that it's like thunderstorming, and it's not. It's like bright as hell. So hopefully it's wrong. If not, then we're quickly gonna go come back because I don't want to be. I hate rain, and especially driving here in Vegas with rain. No thank you, I'm good. But yes, let's go. Favorite chicken on sale. We got everything, you guys, so let's go home. All right, we got everything for our nachos. I'm so hungry for it, so I'm excited. I know.
Tucson, I know at home.
Alright guys, so we just came back from Sprouts. We got a full bag. I honestly think it's cheaper going to Sprouts than going to Smith's. This is what we spent. $24.76. I don't know. I think it's cheaper because today when we went to Smith's, we ended up paying what, $27 and we didn't really get a lot. So here we're buying like 2 chickens and stuff for Pico de Gallo. So I feel like we literally have a lot of food that's gonna last us like a few days. So yeah, I prefer going to Sprouts even though it's a little bit away from home. I do prefer going to Sprouts. But right now we're trying to find a petrol station that does air on the tire once again. So yeah, that's where we're at. Oh god, trying to find like a pump to pump your ears, you guys, here in Vegas, especially like near downtown. Forget it, you're gonna be searching for a while. Meanwhile your air is losing air. Your tire is losing air. Oh yeah, it's cut. Like the thing is cut completely. Is it cut?
Yeah.
Why would anyone do that?
Take the nozzle maybe.
Okay everyone, so we just put our chicken, some chips and cheese. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. So go for it. We've got the fire going, so let's just give it a good 15 minutes. Ooh, it does look good. Con mi pico de gallo. Fuck yeah. And some sour cream. Let's go. Hey guys, so it is Monday and I'm actually working right now. I'm on the appointment. I'm just looking through the whole week this week, and yeah, it is a busy week for me, you guys. Tomorrow, hopefully, me and my boss pick a time. I'm going to be filming a giveaway. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway on Wednesday, so I'm going to film tomorrow, make sure that it's ready and posted by Wednesday. So if you want to enter the giveaway, if you do live in Las Vegas, I would suggest definitely follow my boss at London Aesthetics on Instagram. That way you can win an amazing prize, let me tell you. So if you go on her Instagram, you can definitely see what you'd be winning. It's super cool. I cannot wait. I love filming. I love kind of coming up with certain things with her. She just allows me to do that, which is amazing, and I'm super excited. So keep a watch out for that. And then Wednesday I have a huge thing I'm super excited about. We have an influencer coming on Wednesday. I'm gonna film that, and then that way Gina can post it on her Instagram and I can post it on TikTok as well. Or she can post it on her TikTok. And then on Thursday we have another influencer who we're gonna film and post as well. Then Friday night I'll be leaving to Tucson because on Sunday it is my best friend's baby shower. She's having a baby girl as well. So I had one of my other best friends, she had her baby shower in April. So yeah, unfortunately all my good friends are in Tucson, so I go back for that. Obviously I'm going to support one of my 2 best friends, Rena and Tracy. So I cannot wait for that. So we have a busy week. And then that baby shower is on Sunday, and then Sunday night we come back. We drive back to Vegas because the following week is gonna just be us literally getting everything ready, because then on June 8th is when we'll be leaving to Cali. We have the huge concert, which is Avenged Sevenfold, happening. So you guys, busy, let me tell you. All right, I gotta get back to work. I just finished with my boss. We had such an amazing time. We filmed, we laughed our heads off. It was so much fun. I swear to God, Gina and me are just getting along so well. We're clicking. She just gets me, I get her. So it's just a lot of fun. But the weather has turned to shit. Let me show you. It's raining, it's overcasted and everything. Ugh. So I'm heading home now, and hopefully fingers crossed that everything is good, there's no accidents and stuff. But when it rains, I feel like people drive like shit, you know. So let's go home. Hey guys, I'm home now and I'm so hungry. I finished my smoothie on the way to work, and I'm so hungry right now, so I'm just probably gonna go home and cook something delicious. So let's go. Alright guys, so all of this was in my drawer, so I was like, this was getting up to here. I was like, I gotta fix it, so I'm about to fix and organize that. So I finished the drawer. This is how it looks right now. This stuff is very important to us. We kind of use it on a daily basis, so I left it like that. So it's basically got like my ports for my laptop, my glasses, the cases I use, nail polish. These are the creams I use like when my hand is feeling a little bit weird. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. But yeah, that's how it looks. I cleaned pretty much a lot. It was really messy, but now I can actually close properly, so without any hiccups. But yeah. Super cute. It says Elvis. Was Elvis here though? Look how cute this little chapel is. That is so cute. Little rose. Take a photo and everything. Hell yeah. Could have got married here. Like, we should have got married in Vegas.
We should have.
Did you see that? That was weird. Ghost. The hookah place never opened up. Would have been nice to have it there.
Well, it wasn't that open, but it was kind of cool.
I want to definitely come in one day, check out their boutique. It's harder.
It's a hot one.
My hair, look what color it's turned.
Brownish.
Yeah. It's weird. Turned different. I love the shop. It's the skate shop. Ooh. Damn. They annihilated it. Man, look at that cloud. Alright guys, so I'll be trying these out. And I'm just looking like for a body wash. Okay, so I got some makeup as well. This ColourPop in Target. So I'm just kind of looking because I got that baby shower and stuff, but I think that looks pretty good. So, hey guys, so I'm just kind of like shopping around, waiting for my bus. So let's go. Woo! Oh my god, you guys. I'm trying to cool down. I just came back from Target. $81 later. And this is all I got. Inflation. 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 Yep, it was $81.09. That's good to know. Okay. Let me show you what I got at Target. We're leaving tomorrow to Tucson, so I ended up getting this body wash right here and this light because our vent hood light went out, so I had to buy that. And then Richard got that because he needed some, and I ended up just getting like this ELF eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It was like $3, so I ended up getting that. Then I got this mascara right here because I need one. I got an eyelash curler, super cheap. I think that was like $3. Yep, $2.29. I think the most expensive was this here, the pomade. This was $15.99. Jeez. And then, so I went to try and get like the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using, but they only had the big sizes for the shampoo and not the conditioner. So I ended up reading a few things on this thing right here. I think it's called Soltaire. And it's a shampoo conditioner. I don't know, the bottle's got to me, so but it's Recover and Restore Damage Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. So I ended up getting these. These were $11.99. So yeah. And then I got deodorant. Am I the only one? But I swear to God, I use men's deodorant. Sorry, but I don't know. I like it. I like it better. I don't know. Sometimes I kind of like the smell of a man. So yeah. All right, guys. People are probably watching me. What's she doing? This freak. So I was gonna go to Kohl's and get like a shirt and stuff. Maybe I should go. I'm here. Maybe I should. Alright, give me a sec, guys. You guys, they're opening a huge Sephora at Kohl's, which is so cool. Oh, okay. I found the t-shirt that I want. All right, let's find some good ones. Okay. All right, let's find some. Oh, Britney Spears.